Hello, bright minds. Welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. We've got a beautiful series starting from 1 and end in the infinity, and then sum of all those terms are equal to 5. We have to find the value for x that we can insert to the series and get the answer for 5. Let's get into the solution. I'm going to keep the 1 here. Then in the rest of the series, you can see that x to the power of 2 is a common factor. I'm going to take this common factor out of the series. Then in the parentheses we have 1 plus, then we have x to the power of 2 plus, then we have x to the power of 4 plus, then we have x to the power of 6 plus, at the end we have infinity inside the bracket, which is equal to 5. Now you can clearly see that inside the parentheses we have the same series as we have in the original problem, which is equal to 5. Therefore, I can replace the value 5 for the series inside the parentheses. Now I have 1 plus x to the power of 2 times inside the parentheses. I can put the value 5 is equal to 5. Now 5 times x to the power of 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now I am going to add minus 1 for both sides of the equation. Then 1 and minus 1 going to be cancelled out. Then 5 times x to the power of 2 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now I am going to divide both sides of the equation by 5. Then 5 and 5 going to be cancelled out. Now x to the power of 2 is equal to 4 over 5. I am going to take the square root of the both sides of the equation. Now in the left side, square and square root going to be cancelled out. Then we have x in the left side of the equation. In the right hand side, actually we have to consider both plus and minus value here. Then square root 4 is equal to 2. Then we have x is equal to plus or minus 2 divided by square root of 5. So this is our final answer. Actually we have got two answers for x: plus 2 divided by square root of 5 and minus 2 divided by square root of 5. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this math problem.